What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're taking a look at a Ford F-250 with the 7.3 diesel in it. Ooh. That's right, guys. I did not stutter. She looks amazing from the front. Very nice and clear headlights. That grille looks great. The body looks good. Crack in the windshield. All right. She's got the Sumitomo tires on deck. XLT Power Stroke V8. It does have the 7.3 liter diesel on deck, in case y'all didn't know. 4x4. Look at that. She looks all nice and clean. We'll walk around. We'll check out the other side. Take a look at the interior, and we'll see if she fires up. Now, this is one of those, sponsored thing, or not a sponsored thing, but featured vehicles, I like to call it. Independence, Blue Springs, Missouri, 4x4. Look, man, it must have ate a Chevy. The damn Ford ate a Chevy. That's why it's here. See that? Not only did this Ford eat a Chevy, the owner lays pipe. The owner right here is part of the pipe fitters union. That means the owner was laying pipe and eating Chevys. Damn. Only bad thing I'm seeing on this right now is a little bit of rust here on the fender. If you took care of it right now, it'd probably be okay. Ooh, we got a little bit of rust damage and stuff over here on the cab. That's not good. Ugh. Edge products, which means it's got a tuner like that. Probably missing though. All right, as we look in here, she's clean. Now, they say it doesn't have keys. It doesn't need keys. It's on. Hold on. She's a manual, too. Let me climb up in here and see if she fires up. It says no keys. Another theft recovery, huh? She runs with no keys. I don't know if it's in neutral, though. First, pull it out of first. Okay, now it's in neutral. Let me get on the brake, slowly let out the clutch. Yep, she runs. She runs. Theft recovery, and it runs. Oh, that AC is ice effing cold, boy. Wow. This thing is clean, man. How many miles? 192,000 miles. That's really not much for a 7.3 liter Power Stroke. And it's a 4-speed manual. And then it's got overdrive up here. So what, 5-speed? 5-speed manual. It's got low and overdrive here on the shifter. Now this must be the tune switch for different tunes. Does she roll cold though? Doesn't look like it. But she runs good. She runs damn good. And the AC is ice cold, man. Yeah, this truck right here is a steal. This truck right here is a definite steal. I'm telling you guys right now. Now, this probably went to a radar detector that somebody boosted. It wouldn't surprise me. Cup holders are still there. That's rare for that car. Nice little hook there. Fuse box. All right. I just want to know how they broke the ignition to be able to get it to run without keys. Like, they got it to run with no keys. You got to pull it back or the starter sticks. But that clutch is there. She works, man. 7.3 liter Power Stroke for the low. Man, this thing is only sitting at 180. Oh, I'm sorry, 250 bucks. 250 bucks right now. Wow. This is a deal right here. 7.3 liter Power Stroke V8. Listen to that motor, man. God damn. She runs good, boy. I love the smell of that diesel too, boy. Oh, she got a backup camera that they added. Got a backup camera here that you probably could fix. You put it on a plate. Probably runs via app. Or that might be what it got taken out that was hooked up via the cigarette lighter. No DEF on this thing. Just pure, undeniable V8 diesel power. We'll take a look at her under the hood real quick. Got the plug in to keep her nice and warm in the wintertime so you don't gel up that diesel. Look at that, boy. AFE power, big old filter on it. Boy, she sounds good. Renthal braking, she sounds really good. Max Life, huh? They got like a bottle of fluid up here. That's a little concerning. But she's been running a while. She's been running good. Huh. She looks damn good for what it is, man. I know it's not gonna go no 250 bucks, but the fact that it has no keys, it might scare off enough people that don't come out and look at it that you can get a fighting chance to bid on this car, you know? It's possible. Wow, I really like this thing, man. I really like this thing a lot. I really like it a lot. Somebody stole the radio. You can see they cut it. See how they cut? They cut the dashboard. They just cut it, just to get it out. Just to tear out the radio. Sucks. Let's look and see. Did I do something wrong here? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I kind of like this one. This might be one that I bid on myself. Because I like the 7.3 Fords. I know some of y'all are not Ford guys at all. I think that's power steering fluid that's up there. That's missing. Yeah, she turns with no problem. Sounds damn good too. AC blows cold. But it won't go past that. Oh, maybe it's this right here. Nope. Well, she runs. Sad that the key's stuck to that position. But no key. Like I said, no key. In case you came in late. But she runs. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I think it's a good deal. I think even if it went for $1,000, it's a good deal. Even with the body rot and stuff, I think should be a hell of a deal for somebody. Great work truck, man. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this 7.3 liter Ford here in the comment section down below. Until next time, guys, thank you guys very much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one, which will probably have a much longer dedicated long Copart video. But anyways, I just thought that was interesting and thought you guys might want to check that out. You don't see the 7.3 as much anymore, and when you see them, they're rare. When you find one that cheap, it's a steal. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
Perfect.